Hello everyone, I'm Elia M from Northview High School, United States. I'm an inventor of vertical farming with an artificial moonlight system that can be applied to enhance crop yield and decrease the cost of vertical farming, verified with a US patent and research paper publication. To briefly explain my accomplishments, I have published a patent on radiant artificial lunar lights with effective elements for growing plants and wrote a book that explains the patent's contents in a simpler manner so that the public can understand it more readily. Moreover, to expand on the patent, I conducted a more specific research about moonlight and magnesium supplementation's impact on chlorophyll DNA and published it in International Young Researchers Conference Journal. Now I'm going to explain my research project titled Smart Farming Innovation, Enhancing Plant Growth and Chloroplast DNA with Magnesium and Moonlight in more detail. As we know, climate change is severely impacting agriculture. Natural disasters like droughts, floods, and heat waves are drastically lowering crop yields. Global warming is also increasing carbon dioxide levels, which leads to malnutrition in crops. Smart farming, particularly vertical farming, is a promising solution to these challenges because it allows us to control the environment for crops. However, there's a limitation. Current LED sunlight used in vertical farming doesn't fully mimic natural light cycles. Constant exposure to LED sunlight can disrupt plant growth, limiting the variety of crops that can be grown. To address this issue, our study explored a novel approach, using artificial moonlight and magnesium supplementation to enhance plant growth. We focused on Arabidopsis and tatsoi sprouts and analyzed how moonlight affects chloroplast DNA concentration and plant growth. We hypothesized that introducing artificial moonlight into vertical farming can mimic natural day-night cycles, improving photosynthesis and increasing crop yields. We began by germinating Arabidopsis and tatsoi seeds, ensuring controlled conditions. After germination, the seedlings were exposed to two different lighting conditions. One was control group, which was exposed only to LED sunlight, and the other was experimental group, which was exposed to LED sunlight during the day and LED moonlight during the night. The moonlight LED we used mimics the wavelength and color temperature of real moonlight. We measured the stem lengths of two plants at two intervals, 14 days and 24 days, along with chlorophyll and cpDNA concentrations. To quantify chloroplast DNA, we used a genomic DNA extraction kit. Our results revealed significant findings. Plants exposed to LED moonlight showed increased stem growth compared to those in the control group. Chlorophyll concentration was higher in the moonlight-exposed plants as observed through fluorescent imaging. This suggests better photosynthesis capabilities. Furthermore, cpDNA copy numbers were also higher in the experimental group. Chloroplast DNA is crucial for plant growth as it directly influences photosynthesis, leading to more energy and consequently faster growth. Interestingly, magnesium supplementation did not significantly affect cpDNA, likely because the plants already had sufficient magnesium from the soil. Our research highlights that artificial moonlight can indeed play a vital role in enhancing plant growth by increasing cpDNA and chlorophyll content, which are essential for photosynthesis. This finding has practical implications for vertical farming. By incorporating LED moonlight, we can create a more natural light cycle, which could increase productivity and allow for a wider variety of crops to be grown, including larger leaf plants and even fruits. This study also provides new insights into smart farming techniques. While previous research suggested moonlight negatively affected certain plants, our results suggest that artificial moonlight can have positive effects when applied in controlled environments. This opens the door for future exploration of life cycles in agriculture. In conclusion, our study demonstrates that incorporating artificial moonlight into vertical farming can significantly enhance plant growth, increase cpDNA concentrations, and ultimately improve crop yield. This sustainable innovation offers a promising solution to the agricultural challenges posed by climate change. As we continue to refine these techniques, we can look forward to more efficient and diverse farming practices that benefit both farmers and consumers. In the long run, I aspire to provide an alternative method of growing food sources in face of climate change, developing moonlight-based indoor farming systems to cover up for landfill shortages, and creating indoor farming systems that capture CO2 and circulate the air we breathe. Thank you.